Today's video is Beginner Mixed Grammar Quiz. Test 1. There are 20 questions. Each question has 4 options, and you have 5 seconds to guess the correct answer. Before we start, please hit that subscribe button and notification bell for more cool English learning content like this. Are you ready? Let's begin. My phone is on the table. She goes to the gym every morning. They are late again. I can't find her keys. Have you finished the assignment yet? The coffee shop is full. This is the best movie ever. Whose phone is ringing? Have you ever visited Japan? She will learn a new language soon. We are looking for an apartment. If I were you, I'd take the job. I haven't seen you in weeks. I wanted to help you, but I'm busy. We've been friends for 10 years. It's very cold outside. I prefer tea over coffee. We need a few more chairs. I just finished watching TV. It's not yours but mine. Thanks for watching. How many questions did you answer correctly? Share it in the comments below. Please like and subscribe for more quizzes like this. Always remember, learning is cool.